viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. In today's video, I present to you some latest crochet bed cover designs model knitted with wool. Let's start. A crochet bed cover is a decorative and functional cover for a bed made by interlocking lobes of yarn using a crochet hook. These bed covers are often handmade and can feature intricate patterns, designs, and textures. Depending on the yarn and crochet pattern used, they can range from light and airy to thick and firm. Crochet bed covers are valued for their unique artisanal appearance and can be passed down as heirlooms due to their durability and craftsmanship. They are typically used as a top layer on beds for decoration or added warmth. Here are some tips for making a crochet bed cover. Material: opt for double washable yarns like cotton, acrylic, or a cotton blend. These are soft, sturdy, and easy to maintain. Weight: use medium to bulky yarn if you want to thick, warm bed cover. For a lighter, more decorative cover, just thinner yarns like Decor or Spot Weight. The hook size should match the yarn weight. For a cozy bed cover, use a slightly larger hook than recommended to give the fabric more depth and flexibility. Simple patterns. If you are a beginner, start with basic stitches like single crochet, double crochet, or granny squares. Simple patterns can still look stunning when combined. Complex patterns. For an advanced look, try intricate stitches like shell stitch, ripple, or leg designs. Patterns with multiple motifs joined together, like hexagons or flowers, can also make stunning bed covers. Measure your bed to ensure your bed cover will fit properly. Consider making it slightly larger to jump nicely over the sides. Use stitch markers and frequent measuring to maintain consistency. Crocheting large projects in sections, such as making individual squares or motifs, makes the project easier to manage. Join them at the end for a seamless look. Use methods like slip stitch, whip stitch, or crochet join techniques to connect motifs cleanly. Joining with the machine or constructing yarn can give different visual effects. A decorative border can give your bed cover a polished look. Simple scallops, peacocks, or shell stitch borders are popular. Plan a color scheme in advance. You can create solid, striped, or multicolored patterns depending on your preference. mindful of how the colors complement your room decor. Lock your bed cover. After finishing locking your bed cover, putting it and pinning it to shape ensures that stitches lie flat and the size is consistent. This step is especially important for like or intricate patterns. Take your time. Large projects like bed covers can take time, so pace yourself and enjoy the process. Breaking the work into smaller sections or rows will help you stay motivated. Use quality tools. Invest in ergonomic crochet hooks to reduce hand strain, especially for large projects. Smooth, high-quality looks help maintain consistent tension and prevent cinching. Take scissors, a yarn needle, and stitch markers handy to stay organized and make the process smoother. Swatch first. Create a small swatch with your chosen yarn and hook to test the pattern, tension, and overall feel. This step helps ensure that the bed cover will have the right texture and size. Use a color chart or diagram if working with multiple colors. Use a color chart or diagram to stay on track. This prevents mistakes and makes the process smoother when working with complex designs. Keep a notebook to track your progress if you are designing your own pattern or working with custom colors. With a large project like a bed cover, you will have many yarn ends to deal with, especially in multicolored patterns. Weaving in the ends as in crochet will save you from the tedious task of doing it on the end. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!